You know that feeling, right? Trying to get ready, maybe jump in the shower, and bam, the hot water's just gone.
Ugh, yeah. Or you get that energy bill and it's huge and you wonder how much is just heating water you didn't even use yet.
Exactly. So many of us deal with that. But today, we're looking at something pretty smart that helps with both. Tankless water heaters.
That's right. We're going to dig into how these things can make life, well, a bit better. Better for your home, your wallet, and even for where we live here in North Vancouver.
And we're getting our info today from a really helpful article by Pacific Blue Mechanical. It's called Tankless Water Heater Services in North Vancouver, Your Expert Solution. You can find it on their website, pacificbluemechanical.ca.
Great resource.
So let's get into it. What's the first big win with these tankless heaters? I hear it's about saving energy, saving money.
Oh, absolutely. That's a huge one. Think about your old water heater, that big tank. It's working all day, all night, keeping maybe 40 or 50 gallons of water hot, just in case.
Yeah, even when you're sleeping or out of the house. It's kind of wasteful.
It really is. Tankless heaters, totally different. They only turn on and heat water the moment you turn on a hot tap. Like instantly.
Ah, okay. So no storage tank just sitting there wasting energy.
Exactly. It uses strong heaters, sometimes gas, sometimes electric, that heat the water as it flows through, only when you need it.
And that actually saves money, like real money on the bills.
Yeah, quite a bit. The article mentions homeowners can save up to 34% on water heating energy. That could be like $100, maybe even $200 back in your pocket each year, which is pretty nice, especially around here in North Vancouver.
Wow, 34% is a lot. And saving energy is also, better for the planet, right? Less energy used overall.
Definitely a plus. Less energy burned means less impact.
Okay, so saving money is great. But for me, the idea of never running out of hot water, that sounds amazing. I remember those cold shower endings. Not fun.
Oh yeah, that's probably the benefit people feel the most. Endless hot water. It just keeps heating as long as you need it.
So like the whole family can shower one after another, no waiting.
Yep. Showers, run the dishwasher, do laundry. Maybe even at the same time, depending on the unit. It just keeps coming.
That sounds like pure luxury, especially on those cold, rainy North Vancouver mornings.
It really makes a difference in comfort, for sure. Consistent hot water whenever you need it.
Okay, what else? I've seen pictures, and these things look tiny compared to the old tanks. Space saving.
Huge space saver. Those old tanks are big and bulky, right? They take up a whole closet sometimes, or a corner of the garage. Tankless units are small boxes. They usually just hang right on the wall.
Oh, wow. So you get that floor space back.
Exactly. You could put shelves there or just have more room. In places like North Vancouver, where every square foot counts, getting that space back is a really nice bonus.
Makes sense. Okay, energy savings, endless hot water, more space. What about how long they last? Are they a good investment long term?
That's another big plus. They're built to last a long time. We're talking potentially up to 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
Really? How long do the old tank ones usually last?
Typically, you're looking at maybe 10, perhaps 15 years for a traditional tank heater before it might need replacing.
So tankless could last almost twice as long. Fewer replacements, fewer worries.
That's the idea. More peace of mind over the long haul.
Now, you mentioned North Vancouver a few times. Doesn't matter where you install these. Like, is there special advice for us here?
Yeah, local knowledge is pretty important. The article points this out too. For instance, here in North Vancouver, our water can be kind of
hard water. What'd that mean?
It just means it has extra minerals in it, like calcium. Over time, those minerals can build up inside the heater, kind of like scale in a kettle.
Ah, okay, so that's bad for the heater.
It can make it less efficient, yeah. So the local experts, like Pacific Blue Mechanical, know this. They recommend flushing the system out, usually once a year. Just gets rid of that mineral buildup.
Okay, so regular checkups are key here.
Definitely. And they also know our climate, right? The different temperatures. They can help you pick the right size and type of unit that will work best all year round in North Vancouver.
Good point. And we touch on this, but let's circle back. These are better for the environment too.
They really are. Because they only heat water when you need it, they use way less energy overall. And less wasted energy means, well, it's just better for the planet, less fuel burned.
It's a greener choice then.
Absolutely. For folks in North Vancouver who care about living a bit greener, it's a solid step you can take right in your own home.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. We dove into tankless water heaters today, pulling insights from Pacific Blue Mechanical.
And the big takeaways. You save money on energy. Big time.
You get endless hot water, no more cold surprises.
You save valuable space in your house.
They last a really long time, up to 20 years.
And they're a kinder choice for our planet. especially when you use local know-how, like getting them flushed yearly here in North Vancouver.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? How changing just one thing, how you heat your water, can make such a positive difference.
Yeah, for your daily comfort, your budget, and even the environment around us. It's kind of amazing how a smart switch, guided by local understanding, can ripple outwards like that. Definitely something to chew on.